Here's a question before we leave here, guys, okay? How do I sell the car that I'm paying money on? Well, obviously, you don't own the car. The car is owned by the person that has a loan, so the lender. And the idea is the best way to do it is I never suggest you go into debt, but this isn't going into debt. It's more like just switching debt from one place to the next place. So the answer is you find out exactly what the KBB value of this car is, Kelley Blue Book value of this car is, right? So you go on Kelley Blue Book, which basically tells you the value of this car, find out what the value is. So if you have a car is going for $20,000, it's only worth $6,000, $16,000. So you'll be upside down by $4,000. You got to find out the $4,000 so then that person or the lender can basically release the title to the new buyer. And the new buyer is not going to want to buy a car which basically is going to have, for example, a loan attached to it because they don't know you. So the best way to do it is you have escrow companies that basically hold the title and hold the money. Well, the money because there's no title just yet. But the idea is if you're able to get that money from either a personal loan or even like a balance transfer credit card, I'll probably do that too. So just shifting the loan from one place to another place. So you grab the 4K from somewhere else, put it in there. They pay you $16,000 with the escrow company. You pay the full car off. They get the title, and you basically become debt-free, except what you're actually under for. Or just save the money up to actually pay the car, right? But the problem is that because cars are devaluing in assets, right? Just lose value every single year. If you tell me, well, Tom, it's going to take me a year to save the money, well, maybe by that time, that year, the car is already worth less and less and less and less, and then that's the whole problem. So most likely, I'll have an escrow company. I'll sell the car for what it is. I'll try to get a loan for the difference and just basically pay off the loan, and I'll buy a beater car for cash. I'm not getting into debt again. That is basically what I would do as far as the car note. Comment down below. I'll drop a 1 in the chat if that actually makes sense, okay?
You've got to stop.